The Wise Woman's Stone. Once, a wise woman was journeying through the mountains and discovered a precious stone in a stream. The following day, she encountered a hungry traveler. She opened her bag to share her food, and the traveler noticed the precious stone, asking her to give it to him. Without hesitation, she agreed. The traveler left, thrilled with his newfound fortune, knowing the stone could provide him security for a lifetime. However, a few days later, he returned to the wise woman and gave back the stone. "I've been reflecting," he said. "I realize how valuable this stone is, but I hope you can give me something even more valuable." "What do you seek?" the wise woman asked. "Please give me whatever it is inside you that allowed you to part with this stone so easily." True wealth lies not in material possessions, but in the virtues we carry within: generosity, kindness, and wisdom.